Hi everyone, let's talk about eggs. Are they okay for people who don't eat meat? Is eating an egg like eating a baby chicken? It can be confusing. Let's make it simple. Did you know eggs are very old? They came before the first chickens. Long ago, animals started laying eggs with hard shells. Birds came later, and chickens are birds that people started to keep. Now, why do people ask if eggs are meat? Well, some eggs can grow into baby chicks. These eggs need help from a boy chicken, a rooster, but most eggs you buy in the store cannot become baby chicks. The mother chicken, the hen, lays these eggs all by herself. Her body just makes them naturally. No baby chicken can ever grow inside these eggs. Think about milk from a cow. People who don't eat meat often drink milk. Some people think these store eggs are like milk, a food animal makes, but not the animal itself. So, many people feel okay eating these eggs, but some people worry about how chickens are treated. Sometimes baby boy chicks are hurt because they can't lay eggs, and many hens live in a very small spaces their whole lives. They can't walk around much and might not be happy or healthy. This makes some people choose not to eat eggs. What about inside the egg? Eggs have lots of good stuff. They have protein to make you strong. They have vitamins that help your body and brain work well. Eggs are good food. They are also easy to cook and don't cost too much. You can cook eggs in so many ways. Boil them, fry them, mix them up. So easy. Quick tip. Want to know if an egg is fresh? Put it in a glass of water. If it sinks and lies flat, it's fresh. If it stands up or floats, it's old. Don't eat eggs that float. Some people used to say eggs were bad for your heart. But doctors now know that for most people, eating eggs is okay. It doesn't seem to cause a big heart problem. So, should you eat eggs? If you think about the good food inside, eggs are great. But if you worry about how the chickens live, you can look for eggs from farms where chickens walk outside, like free-range eggs. It's your choice to make. What do you think about eggs? Tell us in the comments below. If this helped you, please give us a thumbs up and share this video and follow our channel for more simple answers. See you next time.